Hi, everyone. I just want to have this little disclaimer. This reading is for entertainment only and allegedly, and also, I'm not responsible for what cards come out or what the pendulum says. And happy April Fool's Day. I know that you are sick and tired of hearing about the Harkles, as I am. But we are going to clear the energy here, clear the air, and we are going to look behind the scenes at Gwyneth Paltrow because Neil Sean seems to think that she is very upset about what happened when she took up for Meghan or had that stupid little video last week and with Meghan in it, don't know what's going on, blah, blah, blah. They're both narcs. So we are going to see how she feels now. And did they get into a blow up or what? Dragging her name in it at the same time as Harry going through all of this. I think it's absolutely hilarious, but rich people problems, guys. I know you're nosy like me, so let's just ask, how did that go with Gwyneth Paltrow and Meghan afterwards? After the fact. Let's just see. What in the world happened with them? What in the world happened between Gwyneth Paltrow and Meghan Markle? So let's just see the energy here. Oh, let's just do an underlying energy, shall we? Let's just do an underlying energy. What is the underlying energy? Oh my goodness, the tower in reverse. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Well, you know what? She knew better. And anyway, this would be the hand of God, right? If it's upright. And in reverse, it's your own fault. It's the tower. It's collapsing because of your own doing good. That's what you deserve. I mean, just the audacity and everything of the energy. So, how does she feel now about Meghan Markle? How does she feel now? The Four of Swords. Now, that's Four of Swords in reverse. And upright, there's a little underlying, like in the regular tarot, the regular Rider-Waite, one of these swords is underneath, and this is kind of a resting card, but there's could be underlying energies, but this in reverse, this is like, I feel like she feels like, I think she feels like she's been stabbed in the back. And I forgot to tell you as well, I'm using the English Magic Tarot for this. So, I mean, why not? Both of their husbands were, well, her ex was English and Harry. So what's happened then? She felt like she got stabbed in the back with that tower underlying. She knows it's her own fault, too. Look. Sorry. I love it when something like this happens because they're so haughty and they get brought down to, knock down a peg or two. So, did she and Meghan have a falling out then? The Chariot. Now, the Chariot and the tower in reverse, that is, that must have been her idea, or this is like you're driving your own. I mean, you have the reins, so you are in control of all of this. And and she knows it, and it's her fault. Okay, so I guess she tried to help her out then. She thought she was in control. What else can you tell us, please? What else can you tell us? Did they have a falling out? Yep, the Ace of Swords upright. And that is the truth. And see, that's what was missing as well. She didn't tell her the truth. She didn't tell her the truth. Okay. Next, what else can you tell us about this? The Empress. The Empress is manifesting. It's manifesting, but it's also like well, she's a woman, and we women should stick together. That's what I feel that this is all about. But but look at that. There's that moon in there. Behind her, things are hidden. That's how I feel about it. What else can you tell us, please? The Five of Cups in reverse. That is disappointment upright. But all of this coming is all the liquid in the cups, drinks, whatever, is coming out. Like everything is, to me, this is like throwing a fit because of that Tower in reverse as well. Yeah, it's disappointment, but I think she's really angry, even though it's not a wands, but that's what I feel. It's emotions, because cups are emotions. So the outcome of this, please. The outcome of this, yep, the Knight of Wands and Meghan, wham bam, thank you, ma'am. She got what she wanted, even though she left that Tower. Okay, that's what I was wondering about. So I'm just going to do what's the tea as well. What do you have to tell us, please? What do you have to tell us, please? What is the tea between Gwyneth Paltrow and Meghan about the other day in that video that Gwyneth did, and she didn't know why, she can't understand. She has no idea of the beef between her and Meghan, blah, blah, blah. You saw it. Everybody saw it. What's the tea, please? What is the tea between Gwyneth Paltrow and Meghan? Let's see. Bad habits, drugs, addictions, and toxicities. Whoa. Whoa. Do you think they might have joined in on that? Okay. What's the tea? Was it something to do with that? What is the tea between her and Meghan? Love triangle. Third party, multiple lovers and choices. Well, let's just see what I think that means that they've been maybe to parties together, know the same people. That's what I think. But anyway, let's see. Maybe also that could be their agent, their agent putting them together. Could be. Okay. Lastly, this is the last one. What is the tea between Gwyneth Paltrow and Meghan, please? What? What? Romantic love affair, sex fix and secret lover, and a love triangle. What the heck? Bad habits. Let's ask. That's crazy. Is there a love romance between Gwyneth Paltrow and Meghan Markle, please? Is there a romance between Gwyneth Paltrow and Meghan Markle? No. It is saying yes. Guys, that's crazy. Okay, I'm just going to have to leave it there because ask Esme, is there a romance between Meghan Markle and Gwyneth Paltrow, please? Is there a romance between... My gosh, it's saying yes too. Guys, I promise you, I'm holding my hand as... No way. Oh my goodness. Please, somebody out there, please. Shanta, can you can you look just a quick little short or something and tell us? And Northy, when you get to feeling better, we gotta send our good vibes to Northy. Bless her. When you get to feeling better, would you please just tell us if something is going on between Gwyneth Paltrow and... I don't think so, but we're gonna see. Do you think this means that they have the same, like, manager or the same agency, or is that what that means? Is that what that means, Aggie? Is that what that means? The love affair, whatever. No. Okay. Does it actually mean a love affair? Does it actually mean a love affair? Okay, yes or no, please. Does it actually mean a love affair or not? I can't even. Guys, please don't unsubscribe. I'm just I just read cards and read what my pendulum says. That is the craziest thing ever. So, somebody, if you guys out there, I know some of my lovely friends have pendulums, let me know what you get. Thank you, and I appreciate you all. If you like my content, and I hope you do, please like this video. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you don't unsubscribe after this. It's not my fault. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll have more silliness, I guess. All right, thank you, and I will see you on the next one.